Hi, welcome to Tech Explore Pro channel. So in this video we will see how to download Microsoft Power BI desktop in your machine. And if you want to download this Microsoft Power BI desktop, go to the web browser and search for download Microsoft Power BI. You will see the first link. It will redirect you to the Microsoft official website. You just click on this first URL, and here you will see download option. So once you click on this download, and you can select the language you want. So by default it is English. And if you click on download option, so it will ask for the which uh, bits of the system that you are currently using. I mean, I am currently using 64-bit system, so that I need this particular version, right? So that you can check in the my computers properties. So once you right click on your my computers and you see the properties, right, in the system type, you can notice that which configuration uh, your system is part of, right? I mean, once you select this 64-bit, and you can click on the download, and Power BI desktop will be installed. So it will take a couple of seconds to install. So once the Power BI desktop is installed, you'll be able to see this window. So left hand side you will see a blank workspace area, on the right hand side you see visualizations where you see different types of charts, and in the data section you see whatever the data sources that you import, right? You see all the tables and views here. The bottom of the Microsoft Power BI desktop screen, you'll see the different pages. You can create a different pages here. For example, if you want to create a new page, you can just click on this plus symbol. I'll go to the first page, and here you can import the data set if you want directly. For example, I want a Excel workbook, right? I can select this Excel, the particular Excel which I want to generate a reports, right? So once you click on that, here it will show all the tabs under that particular Excel. If I want this one, I can see the data here itself. For example, I only need this particular table to generate report, right? So in that scenario, I can only select this particular table and click on load data. So once I click on the load data, so within couple of seconds, the whatever the Excel sheet that we have selected will be imported. So now it is creating a model here, means, and physically you are importing that particular Excel data set into your Power BI desktop area, and 70 rows are loaded. You can see that notification, and once it is successfully loaded, you can see table 1 here, and you can select whatever the data elements you want. For example, I'm selecting stock name and sum of stock price, right? So based on your selection, the table will be generated here, and you can quickly change your type of visualization. You can select pie chart, and you can select a bar chart, stacked bar chart, column chart, tree maps. There are various data visualizations tools available here. So depending on your project requirements or your specific requirement, you can select this data visualization. So I hope this video is useful to you. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. So going forward, I will discuss about more Power BI videos and tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.